glamping, and as you can see, for the first time while filming this video, I am not inside the hotel room, I am actually outside. Because today I'm going glamping. Follow me. This is our tent area. First, we have a nice table and the barbecue, which we will be served raw food and barbecuing tonight. The sink, the toilets that are unfortunately separated from our room. Oh wow, it's cold again. And the toilet, also cold in there. So that's really good. And there's a sink to wash your hands. Hi. The room here. It's a really nice tent with a log as a clothing rack. There's a very sunny sun. And also in the afternoon they will give you a small picnic basket. Cute little chairs. Everything you need for this day to be perfect. Oh, and room slippers too. I'll need these. And the fridge can also be drank to apple juice. And there's a really cute seashell.